This is the new 9 Eagle Bravo 3 coaxial helicopter. As you can see, it comes with coaxial system, so 2 blades, 2 main rotors. Actually, this is a very stable system and is very good for beginners or small indoor flights. Something cool about this helicopter is got light here, so there's a LED flying light, and there's a little cover here. And the 1-cell batteries fit inside right here. And another nice feature is this one comes with an on-off switch. So for safety reason, well, after your flight, you can switch it off right away. So make sure nothing happens to the helicopter or injure anybody around you. Okay, this is the patent 9 Eagle transmitter. As some of you may already know, this is you can change from mode 1 or mode 2 by simply switching the antenna around. Another cool feature about this transmitter is got a dual rate system. So you can get half the throttle flow for beginner, or after a while you get used to, you can switch to full travel for a lot faster flights. Okay, and let's give this helicopter a try, see what happens.